Hey everyone! So today I've got another huge decluttering for you, and I'm going to be decluttering a lot of the skincare and other products that I have in this Alex drawer unit. This is basically, I have a lot of tampons in here. This is basically the unit that I have in my bathroom. Some of the things I do use, but a lot of things, I have to be honest, I'm just hoarding because a lot of these things were sent to me. I'm just like at this point, I just want to get rid of so many things. And also the other thing is we are actually moving at the end of June, and just the thought of packing up all these products and then moving into the new house and then having to unpack everything, especially products that I never use or hardly ever use, just is so disgusting to me. I'm so like disgusted with myself, honestly, for hoarding all these things and for feeling the need to hang on to all this stuff. So this entire drawer is basically all face masks. Purifying mask by Caudalie, I don't use it. Goodbye. Moisture Surge Overnight Mask by Clinique. See, this is where it starts to get difficult because these are actually great products, but I'm going to put these to the side because the Clinique stuff is all fragrance free. This one I actually use, the City Block Purifying Charcoal Day Mask and Scrub. It's one that I do use. Turnaround Revitalizing Instant Facial. I'm going to keep this Clinique stuff. A La Mer Mask. I'm going to keep this for now and get rid of some of the other things. These are brushes that I use for my masks, so I'm going to keep that. Then I have a mask here that Glam Glow sent me. This is the Dream Duo. I used it. I didn't notice any difference at all. I don't use it. I'm gonna get rid of it. So these masks by The Body Shop, I actually really do like them. However, I don't use them all. The Clarifying Polishing Mask with Ginseng and Rice, I don't really use that one, so I'm gonna declutter this. So I have the Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. I do use sometimes British Rose Fresh Plumping Mask. It's a nice one as well, but I don't use it as much as the other ones, and I find the scent of the rose is just very strong, so I'm just going to declutter that one. They have the Ethiopian Honey Mask. I love this one. I've used quite a bit of it. And the Amazonian Acai Energizing Radiant Mask. I love this one too. This one, as you can see, I've already used quite a bit as well. Then I have the Aloe Protective Restoring Mask, and you know what? This one is really good too. And this one is made for sensitive skin. This one is with aloe, and it doesn't have any fragrance in. I'm gonna keep this one for now. And then I have all these masks in here that I don't even remember when these are from. Face Food. Oh, I'm just gonna get rid of this. No. The hand mask. It's like a glove. You know what? I'm gonna do this one tonight. I'm gonna use that, and then it's gone. Super Restorative Instant Lift Serum Mask. I'm gonna keep this one because it's more high-end. A foot mask. When am I ever going to do that? No, that's too high maintenance for me. I have to like sit down and put these socks on. I'm just not gonna use that. I have a lip mask. I'm not gonna use that. I have an instant facial mask. This one has retinol in it. I'm going to keep that for when my perioral dermatitis is gone. Another lip mask. I'm not going to use that. I have a rubber mask by Dr. Jart. I'm going to keep this one. I'm going to try it. This is a brand that I've never used, so I'm going to try it. I'm going to try to use that. I have a Kiko eye contour mask. I'm very sensitive around my eyes, so I'm not going to keep that. Rubber mask, Firm Lover. Ampoule pack. Oh yeah, you need to use that. Step 1 and step 2. Alright, so this is like a one thing. So many freaking masks. I don't know. I'm gonna hold on for that for now. Another Vichy mask and get rid of that. Microdermabrasion by Kiehl's. I don't need to be microdermabrated. This is... No, these are just too intense for my... I have very sensitive skin. This is a clay mask. I already have other clay masks. I'm going to declutter that one. You guys are gonna laugh at me, but these are the masks that I bought in Japan. I haven't even used them. I'm so stupid. I am never going to buy stuff on a holiday just because I feel like I need to buy stuff. This is a mask that looks like a cat. You know, I basically just bought this for the video. It says it's collagen, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E. I mean, I feel like this is still way too many masks. I need to be ruthless about this. I think I'm going to get rid of this charcoal mask by The Body Shop. I love this mask, but this is getting old anyway. First of all, there's that. Second of all, I kept this charcoal mask by Clinique, and I really do like this. I like both of these. These are both great masks, but I don't need two. And the thing that's drawing me more to the Clinique one is that it is perfume free. I'm going to get rid of this. It's a great mask. I totally still love it. All right, so in this drawer, I have backups of things. Like I said, I no longer try to buy backups of like shampoo and whatever, because I feel like you can just go to the grocery store and just get it. You know, things like this, you know, it comes sometimes in a 2-pack or whatever. So I have like things like this, which I do use. And then I have a lot of the Batiste things. Now those things I'm not going to declutter because I do use the dry shampoos by Batiste. I have a lot of them, but the reason is that they're much cheaper. They cost like almost $9 a bottle here in Switzerland. And when I'm abroad, like I bought these at the London Heathrow, £2 something, or like under £3. So they're way cheaper. You will see in my empties video, I always have like Batiste dry shampoos in there. I have a shower gel by the Body Shop. Well, I mean, shower gel. I'm trying to work through all my shower gels, and honestly, that's something that you can like use up. Deodorant is something I use up, so I'm not gonna get rid of that. Sprudelbad, it's like a limited edition. I think my husband might have gotten this for me at Christmas. I feel bad about decluttering it, but I don't really see myself using this. You know, I'd rather use up my Lush stuff and other things, so I'm going to just declutter that. Sorry, husband. Peeling thing, which is also, I think I'm going to use these. So I'm going to just declutter that. I don't really see myself reaching for that. The Bioderma Creoline Riche, it's a great cream for the face for very sensitive skin. The Creoline is the range that is like perfume free, so I'm not going to get rid of that. I'm going to keep that. The Peach Bellini, this is a hand sanitizer. I use those. I bought that when I was in Canada. Here I have a Tahitian massage oil. So I'm going to declutter this because I just don't use it enough. Soap in here. I mean, soap is, I can always use that, and this is like a travel container. Toothbrush from Oral-B. I'm just finding it hard to like get through these things because there's so many. By the Body Shop in the small one. These are from some Christmas thing, frosted cranberry and glazed apple. I love the glazed apple one. This one is the Snow Fairy by Lush. It smells, to me, it smells like a children's toothpaste. Bubblegummy, sweet. To me, I'm gonna declutter this. This is old. I'm sorry, I've never used that. Cold wax strips, which are actually, I used to do this, the area just above my lip. And I don't even know why I did that because I don't have even dark hair there. My, like the little peach fuzz basically above my lip. I used to get rid of that. These work great for waxing that area. You can use them. And I used to do that. I don't even know why, because my hair there is not dark. Like I don't have like mustache dark hair. I just like the look of having absolutely no peach fuzz there. But honestly now I like don't even really care. So I'm going to just declutter this because I just don't do it anymore. Body butters, and I think they've all been opened because I think I showed them. These are all sent to me again. So I showed these in an unboxing, but these are just like, I mean, I can still use them, but I'm just finding it hard to get through it because I still have so many body butters also from the Body Shop to get through. They're wonderful body butters by Roger and Gallet. Shampoo, and I think I'm going to declutter this because I use a special shampoo for the scalp acne that I have. And then I have these 2 anti-residue shampoos back here. And you won't believe this, but I asked my mom to bring these over from Canada a few years ago because you can't buy this shampoo here, and this is the best clarifying shampoo. The shampoo that I use also clarifies, so I'm just like holding on to this, and I don't know why, because like I should just declutter this. I'm gonna declutter them. I know it sounds crazy, but like I just have so many issues with my scalp, and I found a really wonderful shampoo that works for me now. And then I have these Twinkle Razors. I do still use these sometimes. I don't do that face shaving as much anymore, but I do still use that now and then. Hand cream by Cien, which is a really great hand cream that you can get at Lidl. Again, this is the time when I was still buying backups, and I was like, oh, I'll buy hand cream. I'll buy 3 of them in one go. I am not doing that any longer. These tooth bleaching gels, which I had to order on eBay, and I do like to bleach my teeth with this. This is the Plus White 5-minute speed whitening gel, and I can't buy this here, so I'm going to keep that. A makeup removing cleansing oil. I do love cleansing oils. That's what I always use to remove my makeup. All these freaking conditioners, and that is going to take me forever to go through because I use not a whole lot of conditioner on my hair. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna declutter this one because this is a mask, and I have 2 other masks here. All right, so I put back in the things that I'm gonna keep. It already looks a lot less stuff. I have these tampons. These were like the last tampon box that I bought. And the hilarious part is I don't even get my period anymore because I'm on a new pill. I'm on the mini pill, which you keep taking it and you never get your period. So it's, personally, I love it. I love the fact that I don't have my period anymore. I don't need these tampons because I don't have my period. Why am I keeping these tampons? I'm gonna give these tampons to a friend of mine. She can use them. I'm going to keep the panty liners. I'm just gonna stick them all in here. I have more of the Batiste things back here. Like I said, I do use those, and I am not gonna be buying any more Batiste for a really long time. And then I have all these travel minis, and honestly, there are things in here that I don't even like. The Clinique one, I do use it, and this one is there's like some remover pads in here for nail polish, and I do use that. And then I have this shower oil. I don't really use this. I prefer a shower gel, so I'm gonna get rid of that. And I have some empty bottles, which I'm gonna keep those. And then I have all these L'Occitane minis. I don't like these products. Like, the shower gel is fine. I think I used up the shower gel. There's almost nothing in there. But the shampoo is too perfumated for me. And there's a conditioner in here, which isn't very conditioning. And the body milk is okay, but it's not nourishing enough for me. Like, I feel like it's too thin and runny. So I'm just gonna declutter these because I just never take them with me on trips, and there's nothing in here really. Gonna throw that one in the garbage. This one I use all the time. It's a cleansing oil thing by Bobbi Brown. And I actually refill it, so I don't even know if this is still Bobbi Brown stuff in here. I think I refill it with whatever cleansing oil I'm currently using. I'm gonna keep this because the bottle is very handy for putting cleansing oil. It's perfect. And I have the Scope, a little mouthwash. I am gonna keep that. Sometimes I take that along with me on trips. The Take the Day Off makeup remover. It's an oil-based makeup remover. I am gonna keep that because that's something I can always use. Studio Moisture Cream. I'm going to declutter it just because I have other creams that I use. That Moisture Surge Extend Thirst Relief, a mini, and I do use that, so I'm gonna keep that. And the Little Fix Plus, yeah, I'm gonna keep that as well. I don't think I've ever used this spray bottle. I've never used this spray bottle. I don't use that for trips, so I'm gonna get rid of that bottle as well. And this one I have used for cleansers and stuff, so. All right, and then this drawer is all sunscreens, and this is where it's gonna get difficult because I do use sunscreen a lot. I wish I didn't have this mini. So I have a tick spray here. I use this all the time when I go walk my dog, so I'm not gonna get rid of that. I also have a mosquito spray. I use this in the summer sometimes if I'm going on hikes or whatever. All right, so this large La Roche-Posay, I'm gonna keep that because, you know, I think if we do a beach holiday or something, this will be a great big tube to take along. The Anti-Sand Technology thing, which is an SPF 30, is really good because it doesn't feel sticky when you put it on. So again, any kind of beach, sandy holiday. Two of them that looked very similar. Feels nice, but I'm gonna, I think, declutter this one. Then I have this other one, which is a spray by Sunny Seam. Okay, I'm gonna keep this one as well. This is a nice, it feels really nice. I just tried it on my leg, so that one feels good. And then I have this one, which is a face protector. I haven't even tried this. I want to give it a go. It's actually almost empty, so I feel like I want to empty this one. Okay, this one, I just tried this one. It's an SPF 30, feels really light in texture. It's like an oil spray, but it goes on kind of like a dry oil. It doesn't actually feel greasy and gross. Oh, you guys, it's so hard. And these are all like nice, high quality sunscreens. Okay, I'm gonna declutter this one, I've decided, because this one has this weird glimmer stuff in it, which is like these little glitter particles. I'm not crazy about it. And then there's this face spray by La Roche-Posay. It's really, really good. Now this one, I bought it recently in France. It's absolute crap. The product is great, but it comes out like a jet. I don't know if I can show you. Oh, great. Now you decide to work? What the hell? What on earth is wrong with you? All right, now I'm keeping it. All right, well, this is a mystery to me. I was going to be decluttering that, but now it seems to work again, so. Because it was coming out like not as a fine mist, it was coming out as a jet spray, so that's why I wanted to like get rid of it, but now I just tested it and it's fine again. What the hell, this is bizarre. The Neutrogena, I'm trying to get through it. I wish I hadn't bought it. Why on earth did I buy another sunscreen? So I've got enough sunscreen to definitely last me all summer long. All right, so here's the box of all the things I've decluttered. It doesn't look like a whole lot, but actually when you add this all up, there are a lot of products in here. So these are all things that I'm not going to have to schlep over to the new place, which is great. Like if I look at it now, there's definitely a lot less stuff in here. And these are a lot of things like backups that once I'm using them up, I'm not going to be repurchasing them. But this has just made the load a little bit lighter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this declutter. Let me know if you would like to see more by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, and you can also check out my declutter playlist. So hit that right now, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.